cha, 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 cha. Excellent. So the next one, we're going to add rock steps. So find your left leg first. With the left leg, we're going to go forward. We go forward, forward, and we're rocking back. So this is called rock step. Forward, back. Side view. Forward, back. Rock, step. So we're rocking. We're not really forward. We're not really back. We're rocking. Rock, step. Rock, step. So left foot gonna go forward. You have a rock, step. Now from here we add cha, cha, cha. And next one, we'll find your right foot. We're gonna do a backward rock step. Rock, step, and back to the middle right here. Cha, 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 with the left foot forward. Rock, step, cha, 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 right foot, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And now we're gonna add correct count to it. So in cha-cha, we start dancing on count 2. So count, say 2, then we say 3, then we say cha, cha, cha. Now with the right foot rock step, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And instead of third cha, we're gonna say 1. So go 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So this is the most simple way of learning cha-cha basic. So let's take a look at this from reverse angle. So we start with the left foot. We go 2, 3, cha, cha, 1 with the right foot back. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So now already this step, we can try dancing together with our partners. So our followers always gonna go with the right foot back, leaders with the left foot forward. And we start with the rock step. So go 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Different angle, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha. Reverse angle, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So now we got already basic step nailed down. So now how to make it look beautiful. So number one, we're gonna pay attention to our feet. So first, it's how we're gonna place our feet. So instead of going forward and having feet turned in, we're gonna keep slight turn out of the feet. So 45 degree. And we have people here. Hi, how are you?
A lot of singers, Chinese singers.
Famous singers. Hello! Happy New Year! Nice. Nice, nice. Welcome, welcome. Nice meeting you.
Very famous.
You're famous. Phoebe is famous. Phoebe is very famous. Phoebe is very famous. You guys from China, Taiwan, from where?
Yes, I come from China.
China? When you came? For holidays?
Yeah, I live here in Atlanta.
Perfect, perfect.
Here just,
Perfect.
eat together this afternoon.
She just has a singing concert.
Concert.
Phoebe is our leader.
Yeah.
Best leader.
Yeah. Supreme leader.
A lot. So
Phoebe is a great singer too, you know.
So listen to her voice.
Ты это пишешь? Пиши это.
Yeah.
Hello!
I like her soldier.
No, she's amazing. Can you do it again? This, no.
Oh my God.
Wow, that's so pretty. Phoebe sings also very well. Yeah.
Yeah, she's very high voice
Yeah, yeah. You like
She just-
opera
She's
almost.
just an opera, so totally different. She's professional.
Chinese.
She's professional.
Wow.
She perform
So
all
beautiful,
day this.
like an angel from the sky.
She has a lot of concerts.
Yeah, I performed with Phoebe a couple times.
No, so that's why you are very famous.
Come for dancing when you come.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come tomorrow, yeah?
Okay, tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah,
so,
yeah, yeah.
So book,
Here.
book my schedule. Okay.
Yeah, Phoebe.
Tomorrow's Wednesday. Tomorrow.
Or you can text me or text
Okay,
baby.
we'll continue.
Thank you so
Yeah.
我们在这个 dancing 的这个哈。
Thank you. 漂亮。